Okay, in previous class we discussed method of variable separable. So in today's class we are going to discuss solving nonlinear first order PDEs. This is the topic we are going to discuss today's class. So you already knows that suppose in a equation in the product or in other words as a coefficient dependent variable is there means we'll call it as a non-linear equation. Otherwise, linear. Example right here. Suppose you can tell that for non-linear PDE, you can tell example. Non-linear. P means dou z by dou x. Dou z by. Here x and y are the independent variable. Z is a dependent variable in terms of x and y. Here, if you see this, here this we consider this is a one term. For this in product or in other words as a coefficient, dependent function is there. That means z function is there. That's why it is a non-linear. Okay. Suppose p plus q equal to 1 is there. It is linear. Here p means dou z by dou x. Q means dou z by dou y equal to 1. Okay, if you observe here for these terms in the coefficient or in product, in other words, there is no dependent variable. Okay, that's why it is linear. Okay, so there are some certain forms are there. 4 type of forms are there. Some standard forms. So based on that, we will solve the some problems. Okay? And for this, not only non-linear, we can solve linear problems also. The title it was showing only non-linear, but linear type of problems also will solve in a similar way. If it is one in the specific form that we are going to discuss now. So that is form 1. Form 1. If f of p comma q equal to 0, that means the given PDE is a function only in terms of p and q, then that complete solution is t dot s means complete solution. Complete solution will be z equal to ax plus by plus c. That's it. If it was in this form, that means the given PDE is only in terms of p and q, then the direct solution is z equal to ax plus by plus c. Okay. So further we will substitute in place of, we can substitute in place of PA, in place of QP. Okay. Now I will solve problems. You will get more clarity. First one. Solve P minus Q equal to 1. P minus 1. So answer, consider it as equation number 1. It is of the form, it is of the form f of p comma q equal to 0. Okay, then complete solution is z equal to ax plus by plus c. That's it. Okay. And next, one more thing we need to do is that in place of p we have to put a. In place of q we need to put b in 1. Okay. Put p equal to a comma q equal to b in 1. So then here we will get that a minus b equal to 1. Therefore, b equal to a minus 1. Okay, na? So that means here, therefore, the z will become comma z equal to ax plus, in place of b we can write a minus 1, a minus 1 y plus c. That's it. It is our required solution. Okay. This type of problems they will ask for 1 mark. Okay. That means short answers. That is the problem is over. Okay. Next, I will discuss one more problem. Solve PQ equal to 1. Consider it as equation number 1. Okay. So it is of the form f of p comma q equal to 0. That means a complete solution is z equal to ax plus by plus c. Okay. So if the given PD in terms of only p and q, then that's a complete solution is z equal to ax plus by plus c. Okay. Now we have to put p equal to a comma p equal to b in 1. That is ab equal to 1, b equal to 1 by a. So therefore z will become z equal to ax plus b means 1 by a, 1 by a by plus c. That's it. It is the required solution. The solution is over. Okay. Next, one more problem I am going to discuss. Third one. Solve p square plus q square equal to 1 and consider it as equation number 1. So answer, it is of the form f of p comma q equal to 0. Then its solution is z equal to ax plus by plus c. Okay. So then put p equal to a comma q equal to b in 1. Then here a square plus b square equal to 1. That implies we want to find b in terms of a. So then here b equal to, that means b square equal to 1 minus a square, b equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus a square. Therefore z is z equal to ax plus or minus square root of 1 minus a square y plus C. So it is a required solution. That's it. Okay. Next, I will go for form 4. Okay. It's total 4 types are there. So now first, form 1 I discussed. Next I will go for form 4. Form 2 and 3 also I will discuss. Okay. Form 4. And it is the Clairaut's form. Clairaut's form. Okay. And in form 1 and form 4, there is a high chances of asking one short answer between these two. So Z equal to Px plus Qy plus f of P comma Q. Okay. So the general solution is the complete solution. Okay. In place of P put A, in place of Q put P. Okay. So that is Z equal to Ax plus B by plus f of A comma B. So suppose if the given partial differential equation is of the form Z equal to Px plus Qy f of P comma Q, that means function in terms of P and Q only. Okay. So that in place of P we have to put A, in place of Q we have to write B. That's our required solution. That's it. Okay. I will discuss some problems. You'll get clarity. So Z equal to Px plus Qy plus square root of 1 plus P square plus Q square. Answer. It is you may consider it as equation number 1. It is of the form Z equal to Px plus Qy plus f of P comma Q. Okay. So the complete solution is in place of P you have to write A. In place of Q we need to write P. That's it. Z equal to Ax plus By plus square root of 1 plus A square plus B square. Okay, na? That's it. This problem solution is over. Okay. Next, one more problem I will discuss in this topic. Solve Z equal to Px plus Qy minus 2 square root of PQ. Okay, is Q. Okay. Consider it as equation number 1. So it is of the form. It is of the form Z equal to Px plus Qy plus f of P comma Q. Then its complete solution will be, in place of P we need to write A, in place of Q need to write P. So therefore Z equal to Ax plus By minus 2 square root of AB. That's it. The problem solution is over. So in form 1 and based on the form 1 and form 4, there is a high chance of asking short answer questions, one short answer. Okay. Next time I'm going to discuss form 3. Okay. Form Form 3, that is f1 of x comma p equal to f2 of y comma q. That means if the uh, given PDE is in terms of only x, y and p comma q, we will transfer all xp terms left hand side, all yq terms right hand side. Then we will use the form 3 methodology to solve that problem. If it is in this form, then we will find from this p and q. From this we will find p comma q. We will substitute in the below. That is dz equal to p dx plus q dy. Next we will apply the integration for this. We will get our record z. Okay. So discuss one problem. Get clarity how to solve. Solve p square plus q square equal to x plus y. So here we may consider it as equation number 1. So I'm going to transfer xp terms left hand side and yq terms right hand side. Then we will get here from 1 as follows. P square minus x equal to y minus q square. Okay. Y minus q square. So I'm going to assume that it will be equal to some a. Okay. Not only a, we can assume as some other parameter also. It doesn't matter. Here now we are going to find out by using these relations. We need to find p and q. Okay. So p square minus x equal to a, comma y minus q square equal to a. Then p square equal to a plus x, p equal to square root of a plus x. Okay, here considering only positive term only. Then here we will get that y minus a equal to q square, q equal to square root of y minus a. Now we got p and q. So substitute p comma q in the below equation. Substitute substituting p comma q in dz equal to p dx plus q dy as follows. Okay, so that is dz equal to p. P is a plus x whole power 1 by 2 dx plus q is y minus a whole power 1 by 2 dy. Now applying integration, then we will get here integral dz equal to a integral a plus x whole power 1 by 2 dx plus integral of y minus a whole power 1 by 2 dy. It is a indefinite integral. Na? So the some constant will come. Generally, we will write after integration, completion of integration. If you write initially also, no problem. Okay. I am going to write it as that constant b. Generally, we will write c. So here I am writing b. Okay. Just it's a constant. It doesn't matter whether if you write b or c. Now here we are going to use that formula integral over x to the power of n dx equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, we are going to use this formula here. Here integral dz means you will get z a plus x whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus y minus a whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus b. Okay. Therefore, the complete solution is z equal to 2 by 3 a plus x whole power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 y minus a whole power 3 by 2 plus b. That's it. It is our acute solution. Okay. Next, final one is to discuss problem on form 2. Okay. Form 2. Suppose if the equation is given PDE is contain only PQ comma Z, then we have to use form 2. Okay. The given PDE contains only Z, P and Q. It doesn't contains X and Y. You know? So that is, on that time we need to assume that if Z is a function in terms of U, then trial solution comma trial solution assuming that U equal to X plus A by. Okay, it is a methodology to solve this type of problems, form 2 problems. If it is in the form, suppose if the given PD is only in terms of PQ and Z. Okay, so we'll assume that Z is a function in terms of U, and for U trial solution, U equal to X plus A by. You know? So then PQ is there now, P equal to rho Z by rho X. So here we have to, Z is a function in terms of U. Now you have to use chain rule here. It will be equal to dz by du dou u by dou x, comma q equal to dou z by dou y, that is equal to dz by du dou u by dou y. Okay, na? So P equal to dou z by dou x equal to, see here, dz by du. Dou u by dou x means if you do this one, dou u by dou x means here you will get 1. Okay, that one I am going to write here 1. Okay. That means it was indicating that if anywhere P is there, in that place we can write, generally we will write dou z by dou x, na? But here in this form too, you can write in on that place dz by du, comma, u equal to dou z by dou y, dz by du, dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y means here we have to do differentiate this one. X will become 0, this ay, y will become 1, a will remains. Okay. That means dou u by dou y means here we will get a. Okay. That a I am writing here. Okay. That means in the problem, if we anywhere P is there means generally we will write dou z by dou x. But now in this form too, you can write dz by dx. Okay. Similarly, in place of dou z by dou y, you can write here u. I said x, na, here u. So dz by du a. Okay. Now we will discuss one problem. You will get clarity. Solve P into 1 plus q equal to qz. Okay, na? So consider it as equation number 1. So it is of the form f of z comma p comma q equal to 0. Okay. So now equation 1 from 1. So in place of p, you can write generally. I am writing first. I am write generally. Then I will replace with dz by du. In place of p, you will write dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x. And next plus 1 plus q. Q means dou z by dou y equal to q. Q means dou z by dou y and z in product. Okay. So here in place of dou z by dou x, we can replace dz by du. One plus in place of dou z by dou y, you can replace dz by du a. Dz by du a equal to in place of dou z by dou y means dz by du a. Du a, z is there already. Okay. Now here these two terms will vanish out. Okay. Now next remains 1 plus dz by du a equal to az. Next you will get further a dz by du equal to az minus 1. Now I am going to transfer like a variable separable, all z terms one side and all u terms one side. So here we will get a dz by az minus 1 equal to du. Now applying integration, here we will get that integral a dz by az minus 1 equal to integral over du. It is the indefinite integral. Now that's why I'm going to write here constant b. Okay. So here one formula will be useful. That formula is that integral f dash of x by f of x dx equal to log f of x plus c. Okay, na? So by using that formula here, if you differentiate az minus 1, we will get a dz. So by using that formula, you will get here log of az minus 1 equal to integral du means here you will get u plus b. So here u means a trial solution. We assume that u equal to a plus x plus ay. So that I will substitute in place of u x plus ay. So that is therefore the CS is, that means the complete solution log az minus 1 equal to x plus ay plus b. Okay, na? So this is our required solution. The problem is over and this topic also over. Okay, na? So if you want to ask anything, you can ask me. I will stop recording.